Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to hide user account from Windows Logon screen. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click Computer Configuration. Click and expand Windows Settings. Click and expand Security Settings. Click and expand Local Policies. Click Security Options. Open Interactive Logon, do not display last signed in. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.